Let us start exercise 5.1 fourth question. So they gave that which of the following are APs. They gave the sequences and they are asking us to check whether they are in AP or not. If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So if they first we have to check whether the difference of the given sequence are same or not. If the difference is same, then we should write what is the common difference and we should write what are the 3 more, right? We should write the next 3 terms. So let us start doing. See, first main, in fourth main, first one. So what they gave, 2, 4, 8, 16 they gave. So D1 will be, we have to calculate the differences whether it is in AP or not, to check whether it is in AP or not. So D1 will be equals to how much? Second term minus first term, that is 4 minus 2, it is 2. And second difference will be, we will compare with the second and third terms. So always the second number minus the first number, or second term minus the first term. 8 minus 4, it is 4. Now if you observe, D1 is not equals to D2, therefore it does not form an AP. In case if it forms an AP, then only we should write what is common difference and we have to write 3 more terms. So here it's not there. Now coming to this, first find the difference D1. So second term minus first term, that is 5 by 2 minus 2. So what is the LCM here? Nothing is there in the denominator, means it is 1. So for 2 and 1, LCM is 2. So 2 goes into 1 time, 1 into 5 is 5, minus 1 goes into 2 times, 2 2s are 4, so that is 1 by 2. Now find the next difference, that is 3 minus 5 by 2, third term minus second term. So that is again nothing is there in the denominator, it is 1, so LCM will be 2. 1 goes into 2 times, 2 3s are, it is 6, 6 minus 2 goes into 1 time, 1 5s are 5, so it will be 1 by 2 only. And again if you find the third difference, that is 7 by 2 minus 3, second term minus the first term. So again LCM is 2. 7 minus 1 goes into 2 times, 2 3s are 6. Again we got difference as 1 by 2. Since all the differences are same, what can you say? We can say that they are in AP. So you can write it as they are, means the sequence is in AP. Since the sequence is in AP, we should write what is the common difference, that is 1 by 2, and write 3 more terms. 3 more terms means what I told you, in order to get the next term, we should add the difference to the previous term. So 3 more terms means the next 3 terms will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2. Next 8 by 2 plus, in order to get the next term, 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 9 by 2. Again in order to get the next term, what we should do? 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 10 by 2. Again in order to get the next, so they asked only 3 terms. So the next 3 terms are 8 by 2, 9 by 2 and 10 by 2. You can simplify it, that is 4, 9 by 2 and this is 5. 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Now coming to the next one. In this they gave the next sequence as minus 1.2. So you have to minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, like that. So let us do. So difference is how much? First difference 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. We should find the difference, means second term minus the first term. Minus 3.2, minus into minus, it is plus 1.2. So 1 is minus, 1 is plus, you have to subtract. So 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, and keep the sign of the larger number. So it is minus 2.0. What is next difference? Minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. So that is minus 5.2, minus into minus, it is plus 3.2. Again you have to find the difference. 0 minus 5 plus 3 it is 2. Which sign to keep? Minus, because minus 5.2 is larger number, and for that the sign assigned is minus. Now the third difference, as the two differences are same, we should calculate the next one also. Minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. So this can be written as minus 7.2, minus into minus it is plus 5.2. So again 1 is minus, 1 is plus, subtract. 7 minus 5 it is 2. For that what sign? Which sign we should keep? Minus 2. So what you will be getting? Differences you got, all the three differences you got it as minus 2. So that's why it is in AP. Since it is in AP, you have to find what are the next three terms. So how you will be getting next three terms? For the last term, if I add the difference, I am going to get the next term. So minus 7.2 plus minus 2. So both will be of same signs. We can add and keep the same sign. Minus 9.2. Again minus 9.2 minus 2. So how much? 11.2. Minus 11.2. Again we should, for this we have to add the difference. Minus 11.2 minus 2. It will be both are same sign. So minus 13.2. So these are the first three terms of the AP. Now coming to the next problem. So what is the difference? They gave the sequence minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. So D1 will be second term minus the first term, minus 10. So how much? Minus 6. Minus into minus plus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 it is 4. Now calculate second difference. Third term minus second term, that is minus 2 minus of minus 6. So that is minus 2. Minus into minus it is plus 6. 2 minus 6 or 6 minus 2 is 4. For 6 is the larger number. For that plus sign is assigned. So now coming to the third term, minus 2. Third term, how you will be getting? Third difference. Fourth, these two if I compare, this minus this. So second term minus the first term. So 2 minus into minus it is plus 2. So it is 4. Since all the differences whatever you got it is same, therefore it is in AP. Since they are in AP, since it is in AP, what can you say that? You can find out the next term. You should find the next terms. So the last term is 2. For that I should add the difference to get the next term. So what will be the next three terms? 2 plus 4 it is 6. 6 I got. For this, in order to get the next term, 6 plus 4, 10. Again, in order to get the next term, I should add the common difference to the previous term. 10 plus 4, 14. Now coming to the next one. They gave 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Just like terms how we are adding or subtracting, in the same way they are like surds, like root 2. They gave 2 root 2, 3 root 2. So we have to simplify in the same manner. So first, what is D? D1. D1 equals to second term minus first term, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. So it is root 2. Second term, second difference. I am comparing these two. Then difference will be this term minus this term. That is second term is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So how much it is? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Now 2 root 2 minus nothing is there means 1 root 2. Just like 2x minus 1x. How it is? So 1x, that is root 2. Similarly, find the third difference. That is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So this can be 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Now plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. It is 1 root 2. That is root 2. Since the differences are same, we can say that it is an AP. Since it is an AP, we have to find the next three terms. So the last term is 3 plus 3 root 2. I should add root 2 to this term to get the next term. So 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2. I am going to get 3 plus 4 root 2. Next, if I add root 2 to this term, I am going to get the next term, that is 5 root 2. Next, 3 plus, for 5 root 2 if I add root 2, means for this term if I add root 2, 5 root 2 plus root 2 is 6 root 2, 3 as it is. Now coming to the next problem. So here what is the difference they gave? 0.22 minus 0.2. So how much it will be? If I subtract 2 minus 2, it is 0.02. For the second difference, 0.222 minus 0.22. So how much I will be getting? 0 point. Here itself you no need to go for the third difference, because the first difference is not equal to the second difference. We can say that it does not form an AP. It does not form an AP. Now coming to the sixth one. So what is the common difference here? Second term minus first term. Minus 4 minus 0. So it will be minus 4 itself. Second one, for these two, second term minus first term. So it is minus 8, minus into minus plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Now coming to the third difference. Minus 12 minus of minus 8. Minus 12 minus the next term, minus 8. So it is minus 12 plus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 means it is again minus 4. Since all the differences are same, I can say that it forms an AP. So what is the difference also they are asking? Difference is minus 4. Now I should find out the next three terms. Minus 12 is the last term what they gave in the sequence. In order to get the next term, I should add the difference. Minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. Minus 16 minus 4. To get the next term, I should add difference to this term. Minus 16 minus 4. Because they are of same signs, I am adding and keeping the same sign. 16 plus 4 is 20 and sign is minus. Again, minus 20 minus 4 is minus 24. So we will stop with this and we will continue with the remaining problems in the next class.